Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placements. Let's see and let's check kung ano bang meron bago mag-end ang March. Okay, so in general and sa love. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And syempre, yung atin pong second YouTube channel na love letter. Kung kayo interesado o na mag-send ng inyong mga love messages sa kung kanino man na gusto nyong pag-sendan o gawin nating way yung love letter na ating channel, second channel. So, yung nasa description box below, yung kanya pong link. So, check nyo na lang po, no? And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items, so yung mga protection from evil eye, we do have ring. Meron din tayong dalawang bracelets, no? So, parehong unisex. So, ito sila. Available ito in red string. So, ito yung adjustable. Ito yung garterized. So, ganyan siya. Okay, ganyan po ha. Okay. So, next is yung ating necklace. Yan. Okay, this is unisex rin. Maliit lang naman kasi yung kanyang pendant. So, hindi naman masyadong halatain. Ano? And syempre, pagdating sa mga connection, yan, sa love, connection, situationship, yung mga ganyan, no labels, yan. Okay, kasama na rin syempre yung mga ang daming conflict na mga pagsasama. Yes, yan. Okay, ito yung pwede ko may recommend sa inyo. Si Love Bracelet. This is 7 inches long. From here sa kanyang dugtungan, sa kanyang lock hanggang dito, no, sa paglalakkan. Oo. And syempre, yung ating granter necklace. Si granter po is made to order. This is unisex, okay? This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. Pero, pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Si granter po yung taga-grant, okay? Taga-grant ng mga minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng mga surprises. Oo, diba? Ang ganda no kapag bored si granter. Oh, yun ang hobby niya, magbigay ng surprises. O, diba? And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting is, yun yung pag-aalis ng mga energies na nakadikit pa rin sa'yo, nakahawak pa rin sa'yo, kaya ikaw itong parang nahihirapang umusad. O, parang pabigat na sa energies. Okay? So, there. So, let's start the reading. Aries. In general muna. What's for you in general? Anong meron sa mga Aries placements bago mag-end ang March? Six of Swords and the Fool. Iba sa inyo may mga bagong pupuntahan, may mga bagong lugar na pwedeng sabihin nating isama, no, sa listahan, okay? Na mga pwede mong puntahan, mga dapat mong puntahan maybe. Pero yeah, this is talking about new, something new. And yes, there's this travel. Okay? Kung may travel na mangyayari bago mag-end ang March, merong mga bagay, maybe tao, maybe this is a connection na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end itong March. Okay? Or sabihin nating bagong place, parang ganyan. Ngayon mo lang mapupuntahan yung lugar na yan. Parang ganon po. No? So, yes. May mga connection rin. The Two of Cups. Okay. May mga bagong sisimulan yung iba sa inyo. In general. What else? Death in reversed. What's with that? Queen of Wands. Changes rin pagdating po sa physical looks. Okay, pwedeng ikaw itong magpapagupit, magpapakulay, ibahin mo na yung style mo, outfit mo, whatsoever. Mga ganyan. Pampering yourself, mga ganyan. So, may mga babaguhin in general pagdating po sa sarili. Okay, yeah, the moon. Iba sa inyo, sabihin nating planado naman na. I don't know. Some of you, this is like a major operation. Major operation. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe to boost your confidence. Parang ganyan, no? May talagang mabigat na bayarin o mabigat na bayaran na mangyayari kasi this is like a major operation, no? May mga babaguhin. That's so specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat pero nakakuha ko ng ganyan. Okay? So, iba naman sakali in general merong mga sabihin nating babaguhin and talagang may gastos na gagawin. Sa maganda naman, okay? Sa paganda naman po. Ten of Swords in reverse. Sa paganda naman. Okay, what else for you, Aries, bago magandang March? What else for Aries placements? The Hierophant in reverse. What's that? Page of Wands in reverse. Meron ako dito nakukuhang energy about procrastination. Yung iba dito nakukuha ko gustong mag-iba ng religion. Meron dito gustong mag-iba ng religion. Yeah, may narinig lang akong ganyan. Yung iba naman, may chance na pwedeng magbukas na ng business, mag-resign and magbukas ng business na sarili. Yeah. Kung hindi man resign yon, it's like retirement. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Swords. King of Pentacles. Yeah, this is business. Managing. Okay? Avoid na matrigger around workplace. Yeah. So, yun lang. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na. Yun lang aking nakikita for you in general. Pahapyaw lang. Kung ano lang aking nakita. So, tayo tumungo sa love. Ano bang meron sa mga Aries when it comes to love? Aries in love. Bago mag-endang March. Anong meron? Bago mag-end ang March, anong parating pagdating sa love? For Aries placements. Four of Swords in reverse. Merong ditong mag-end ng no contact. May mag-stop ng no contact. May mag-reach out. May mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Nako. Pwedeng Cancer yan. Here they come. To waste your time again. Yeah, to waste your time again. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. In general, diba? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of them, nandyan lang yung blaming energy coming from that person. That is why. Or ikaw lang itong magagalit kapag nag-reach out sila. So, yeah, waste of time. So, what else? In love. Two of Cups. What is that? Two of Cups. So, that's a connection. Oh, a connection pagdating sa workplace. May madidevelop around workplace or maybe school. Something like that. Pwedeng meron ka makikilala na parang tingin mo magka-jive ka, magka-vibe kayo, no? Parang ganyan. So, it's like, unang tingin mo, oh, i-click agad. Parang ganyan. Two of Cups. So, for me, energy ng may strong connection with this person. Paano mo malalaman na siya to? Ano tong Two of Cups? So, may connection po na pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang March. And a strong one. Oh, see, the Four of Wands, a strong one. Pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang environment, like consistent. Some of them, they're stable. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Some of them, they are like, sabihin natin nakaka-intimidate yung energy. Pero, mag-click kayo. Yeah, nakaka-intimidate. The Nine of Swords. Hindi mo sure. Ganto, ganyan. So, siguro, lalalim yung connection nyo ng taong to. Pwedeng maging kayo nito. May potential na bago magandang March, iba sa inyo, makita nyo yung para sa'yo. Okay? So, meaning to say, meron ditong 9 of Cups. Are you healed? Some of you, you're not. Not yet healed. Nasa ilalim eh. So, may parating na potential long-term partner bago mag-end ang March. Okay? So, yeah. The Hierophant. The Hangman. Yes. So, what else? What else? For Aries placements. Knight of Wands. What's with that? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Ang dalas kong makuha yung card na to pareho magkasama. Hindi ko alam kung saan, hindi ko alam kung kaninong zodiac, pero lagi kong nakukuha yan magkasama. Tandem ata to. Magkatunog pa, no? Knight of Wands and the Nine of Wands. In reversed. May nakikita ako ditong sex. Yes. Bago mag-endang March with a fire sign like you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or ikaw itong open sa dating bago mag-March or bago mag-end ang March, I mean. Are you open sa dating? Meron ako nakikita ditong somebody is into you sexually. The Queen of Cups. Nako, may bibigay. The Fool. Okay. Meron ditong mafo-fall. Oh, agad-agad. Because itong si Knight of Wands is so charismatic. So charismatic. Okay? Even though some of them, hindi naman sila like totally pogi o maganda. They're like malakas yung charisma. No? So, good luck. Okay? Oo, good luck pagdating sa love, no? Mga Aries. Okay, so, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. O, diba? The person on our mind. Bago mag-endang March, anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa taong ito? So, sino ba yan, Aries? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa person mo? Who is this person you're thinking of, Aries? Who is this person? Okay. The Knight of Pentacles. Hard-headed. Stubborn. The Knight of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reverse. This is somebody who is young, immature, hard-headed, stubborn, makasarili, lagi na lang away-away ang gusto. O, diba? Yeah, could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Wag masyadong mag-rely sa sinasabi kong mga zodiac, no? This could be any sign anyway. This is just energy. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa situation, mga Aries? Anong kailangan nyong malaman? Anong meron dyan? The Nine of Wands in reversed. The Two of Cups in reversed. Naku, may magdadrop. May nananawa dito. Yeah, the Magician in reverse. The King of Cups. The Three of Cups. Okay. So, Aries, kung itong taong to, sabihin nating totally nagmamatigas, no? In general, meron kang hindi makita, makuha sa kanya. Sa situation, meron ditong kailangan maging vulnerable. Or maybe sila yung kailangan lang maging vulnerable pagdating sa your transparent. Kasi kung hindi, nandito yung mananamlay ito eh. Mananamlay itong connection. Parang lalayo na yung damdamin. Parang may lalayo. May parang, ang tawag dyan, matuturn off. Parang ganyan, yung energy. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles Universe. May pagtatanong na ng, am I just wasting my time here? Parang ganyan. Or, kung ito ay kakonect mo na nga, like, totally romantically. Am I just wasting my time here? Parang ganyan eh. Like, ano ba? Mag-step up ka ba? Parang ganyan. Magmamature ka na ba? Mag-mature ka naman na. Parang ganyan. So, hindi pwede tayong laging ganito. Iintindihin ka. Parang ganyan. No? Parang may nakukuha akong energy dito na somebody, kahit ito a feminine energy. Whether this is a boy or a man. Their way is like, they're too feminine. Like, I don't know. Oo. Anyway, so let's see what's their emotion for you. Some of you, hindi mo siya kausap, no? Oo, meron ako kong energy. Sabi sa akin, hoy, hindi sila magkausap. Okay. So, meron ditong hindi magkausap. Meron ditong parang gusto ng sumuko. Okay. Aries, if ikaw itong naghihintay sa taong to na mag-contact, mag-reply, or mag-reach out, if ever, at inuuna nila ang pride at ego nila, then you're not waiting. Oo. Wala kang iniintay. Oo. No, parang don't expect anything from this person. That's specific. Kung ikaw itong may hinihintay sa taong to, Aries, wala kang hinihintay sa kanila. You're just wasting your time, if ever. Okay? So, anong emosyon ng taong to? Aries. The Empress. And the Ace of Swords. This person is getting a lot of attention. That is why. Ito yung tao na parang feeling niya lahat gusto siya. So, it's like wala siyang pakialam pagdating sa'yo, if ever. Yeah, hindi siya nakikipag-communicate. May chance kasi na pwedeng itong taong to is sanay siya na siya yung binibigyan ng attention. So, yeah, di ba? May pagka-immature yung person. Sa totoo lang, gusto nito makipag-usap. Hindi lang niya ginagawa. Inuuna niya yung pride at ego. Yeah. The Eight of Swords. The Ace of Wands. Some of them, talagang maraming nagbibigay ng dito. Attention, see? Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands. Pwedeng may mga bago. Some of them, they're attractive. Attractive. So, makakakuha ka talaga, alam mo yun, andun yung parang ginagawa niyang advantage, yung looks niya. Like, I don't care kung meron akong mga nai-ignore ng tao, feelings, whatsoever, ganun siya. I don't care. Basta ako, nabibigyan ako ng appreciation, nakikita ko na ako ay binibigyan ng attention, whatsoever. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Parang ganun. Some of them, may anak na. Yeah, may anak na. Iba sa kanila. So, hindi po lahat, ha? Yeah, see, the Three of Swords. Actually, itong taong to, they're like having a facade. Wearing a mask. Like, outside, okay na okay, pero deep inside, they're broken. They are broken. Okay? So, what is their next action towards you? What is their next action, Aries? Okay. The Three of Swords again. To break your heart. To hurt you. Yeah, see how difficult. Oh, itong taong to, they're too immature. Yeah, see, the Magician. On purpose. Planned. Yung ginagawa niya sa'yo. Kung hindi ka niya kinakausap, nagmamatigas siya, whatsoever, that's planned. Part of the plan. Nasaktan ka. I don't know why. I don't know if this person is aware na nasasaktan ka niya. Whether aware siya or hindi, yun ang nakikita ko na pwedeng mangyari or pwedeng next action niya towards you. To hurt you. To hurt your feelings. Yeah, the King of Cups universe. They're not like, alam mo yun, napaka-insensitive ng person. He doesn't care about your feelings. Ang inuuna nito is sila, sarili nila. Oh my. So, what is the potential outcome? Potential outcome ninyo, ni person, bago magandang March. The 9 of Pentacles. So, being single if ever. So, mas maganda nga na maging single ka na lang dito kasi parang wala rin naman talaga. If ever. Focusing on yourself. Okay? Focus on yourself and the 8 of Wands inversed. Stop kung ano man yung mga ginagawa mo pagdating dito sa taong to. Okay? I-stop mo. Puro sa'yo mo na lang muna. Manage mo muna lahat, yung sarili mo kung ano man. See, justice. Kasi kung itong taong to is magiging balanse sa'yo, matagal na dapat. Okay? Dapat nagawa na niya lahat ng mga kinakailangan mo, ng mga hinihintay mo na ibigay naman na dapat. Kaso parang wala, no? So, kapag ganyan, step back. Step back. Hanggat maaari para mag-gain mo muli, no? Makuha mo muli yung mga energy na naipasa mo, nagawa mo, naibigay mo dito. Ibalik mo sa sarili mo. This being single. Yes. And stop whatever, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo sa sitwasyon ninyo. Whether magkasama kayo or hindi na, kung ano man. If you're putting energy towards this, then you're just wasting your time. Yeah. You're just wasting your time. So, some of you, kung meron kang kinukuha, like closure, whatsoever, then make this as the closure. Okay? Yung hindi niya pakikipag-usap sa'yo, hindi niya pakikipag-ayos, whatsoever. Make that as the, closure. Okay? So, wala siyang pakialam. Yeah. Taking advantage, no? Sa mga tao. That's sad. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako nalulungkot para sa'yo. Nalulungkot ako para dun sa person. Yeah. Hindi siya magiging masaya kung hindi siya bibigyan ng importansya, kung hindi siya bibigyan ng atensyon ng ibang tao. Doon siya nasaya. Yes. Okay. So, let's see. All signs are through Pisces. So, Aries, they want to put effort. Taurus, they like you. Gemini, they want to talk. They want to communicate. But yeah, they're afraid. Some of them. Cancer, they're juggler. Leo, they're stalking you. They want to tell you something. Virgo, they're attracted. Libra, some of them, they have options. Or some of you, nasa separation kayo, they want to talk. They want to communicate with you. Scorpio, they see a long-term connection. They see a stability with you. Okay. Sagittarius, they want to work things out. They want to fix everything. Gusto nila na parang mayroong, their focus is on you. Okay? Capricorn, they're stuck. Feeling stuck. Aquarius, have plans. Oo, may mga plano si Aqua. Pisces, They're mirroring you. They are mirroring you. They're longing for you. Sad. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.